cause I'm icy. Cause I'm icy. Icy, cause I'm icy. Icy. Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. Ice won't stop, cause I'm icy.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be bringing you guys this look that I created. Yeah, this video mainly focuses on creating the eye look. I really breeze through the face part because I will be recording a in-depth foundation routine, which I think I already have a video up doing that, but I have changed some things up, and mainly I'm using brushes only for my makeup now, so I do want to go ahead and show you guys that. But I'm not going to keep you guys long. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and keep on watching. Bye. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by using a Morphe 506 tapered blending brush, and we're going to go right into this color right here called Wine Dine. So really work that out in those circular motions because you don't want any harsh lines. And this is so pigmented that you really don't have to try and pack it on. It's gonna go on pigmented if you prep your eye correctly. Ooh, she cute! Alright guys, so I went ahead and I put that on both eyes, showing you what I just... Anyway, I just kind of kept working that color on my eye to get this look. It wasn't just one swipe, so I don't want y'all to have that misconception of, oh, you gotta do it one time. No, sis. I kept doing it. Alright, so after looking at that palette more, I can't do the full look out of that palette that I want to go for today. So I'm gonna go into the Nika K Poison Apple palette, and I am going to be using this color here, and this pink here for the rest of this look. I'm gonna go ahead and use this color to deepen that crease just a little bit more using that same Morphe 506 brush. So definitely gonna be using that. And I'm just further taking this into that crease. It may not look different to you guys, but it is adding some depth, just making that crease a little bit darker, so when I do cut it, it'll really look vibrant. Okay guys, so I last minute decided that I wanted to do a halo instead of doing a cut crease. And if you're gonna do a halo, you're gonna want to build up that color on both sides of the eye, so basically so that should look even. It needs to look the same on both sides if you're gonna go for a halo eye. So really build that color up on both sides, on both ends, on the inner eye and on your outer eye, just so it's even. I'm gonna take my E121 brush. This is what the brush looks like. It is by Shop Miss A, an AOA brush. I just trained my brush to be like this by using lash adhesive, clear lash adhesive, and basically smushing the brush together. And yeah, and I don't clean this brush that often. I just wipe it away with, you know what. Anyway, it's my personal brush. Mind your business. So as you can see, I do have some Anastasia primer, eyeshadow primer on this brush. And when you are doing a halo eye, I really like to open my eyes. I'm gonna try to do this in camera the best I can, but I like to open my eyes and just kind of press that on. You still can't see it really while my eyes are open. I mean, you can, but if I really open them, you can't see it. Okay guys, one thing I do want to say when you are using this primer, either to cut your crease or to do a halo, you really want to pat it out. You don't want any of it to like still be wet, because then it'll start to crease, and you don't really want that for when you decide to put down whatever you're gonna put down on your halo. Alright guys, I'm gonna start off by using this color here with a, I don't know, it's like a shader brush, very dense brush. You're gonna be able to pick up that pink really easily. And I am just going to pat that in a V-like motion on the outer edges of that. To blend that, I'm gonna go back into this color here. And we're gonna blend that in using that same 506 brush. Is that a garbage truck? After that, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I did that to both my eyes, and you guys can see this halo looking fire. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit more razzle dazzle to that. I got this glitter, as you guys can see. I don't know where it come from, but yeah, this is the glitter I'm about to use, and I'm gonna use my Anastasia glitter adhesive to apply this glitter. And I'm just gonna basically be putting it in the middle and along this top part.
Black Lions.
Okay guys, I hop right into skin, and the rest of the video is gonna go pretty fast. I hope you guys enjoyed, and let me know if you would like a more in-depth skin area when I do my videos. I'm just going through this one pretty quickly because I didn't want this video to be over 10 minutes. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you watch till the end and give me the thumbs up.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. Ice won't stop, cause I'm icy. Ice, cause I'm icy. All this icy, icy. That's how I hot dog do it. Won't stop, cause I'm icy. Stop. white toes and them toy flip flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always